What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew. Do you run a SaaS and you've always wondered how to get bulk sets of information from your SaaS configurator? Well, today we're talking about the API endpoints, and these are new endpoints that are going to allow us to get access to this information via our SaaS configurator API. We're just going to do a quick overview of what you get access to and how you can probably get started using this and learning more about the developer community. I understand a lot of you aren't developers, so I'm going to try breaking it down in a way that's going to make sense. Let's dive right in. So on our agency level under our SaaS configurator, we can access all of our different plans as usual. But in order to get access to an API that will give us access to all the different things under our SaaS configurator, the first thing we need to do is go to settings, then go to API keys, and we need to make sure that we have API key for our agency. You'll see that you have API keys for your locations. These are specific keys that are going to allow you to get access to specific sets of information. But for getting access to information from the agency level, such as all of our SaaS info, we'll need an agency API key. And we can simply create one by clicking Create New, give it a name, then click Save. Then we can copy and save this API key somewhere safe to make sure that we can use this with our endpoints. Now, you'll have your API key here. You can make more if you would like, and you can edit the name right here if you need to. But let's talk about the API key usage and the endpoints and what the point is of these endpoints. If you check out the help doc on public API endpoints, you'll see these are our endpoints that we get access to. Get agency plans, get location subscription details, bulk enable SaaS, get SaaS sub-accounts, and get SaaS plan details. Think of these as different commands that we can run with this API key that we just created in order to get access to these sets of information from our agency level. Now, this is important for, let's say, developers creating apps that are going to plug into GoHighLevel so they can build out systems in order to use the GoHighLevel API in order to get access to this information and let everyone else as high-level users using their app get access to this information as well. You yourself can also create your own app or create different external applications in order to get access to this info. There's a lot of different use cases, such as app developers creating apps for GoHighLevel, agency owners wanting to create internal processes and onboarding flows in order to optimize their SaaS processes. You could build custom dashboards and automate large pieces of information, such as transferring SaaS accounts, and automate large pieces of information, such as transferring all of your SaaS accounts over to a different platform, and automate large sets of information, such as bulk edits to all of your SaaS accounts or getting access to all of your billing details and importing them into a custom dashboard in another product. As boring and as techy as this may sound, this allows us to do a lot of cool things as a SaaS agency owner. It allows us to build custom platforms in order to grow our SaaS in a way that is automated using these custom endpoints. Now, actually using these with your API key takes a couple of different platforms depending on what your use case is. So I would highly recommend that you join the developers community and also join the developers council meetings. If you're not a developer or if any of this sounds new to you, joining these meetings will help you learn a little bit more about how you can actually use these products for your specific use case by talking with the GoHighLevel team and other members of the community. As I said, I just wanted to let you know what is possible using these API endpoints. And in the future, I highly recommend that you dive into the developer community through GoHighLevel so you can learn all about the awesome things that you can do with their API. If you have any questions about these endpoints specifically, feel free to leave a comment, check out the help doc. And as always, thank you very much for watching.